Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. I'm going to teach you how to remove the copyright claim on your video on YouTube using just your phone. Okay, just open the browser, then make sure it's in desktop mode. Then log in to your YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. Then go to contents where you can see the ineligible video like this one. As you can see, there's a copyright claim there. I'm using my phone right now. Okay. As you can see, there's two video that's ineligible because of the copyright claim of the audio. So just press the video, then go to copyright, then you can see there content found during the time 13:50 to 14:53 seconds. So their monetization is ineligible because of this audio there. We can replace that just by tapping this one. You can see, you can trim out the segment or replace the song or mute the song. Or if you have the right for that audio, you can dispute. So let's say just replace the song. Let's just replace the song. Okay. As you can see here, this red one is the song that needs to be replaced. You can choose here which of these songs you want. You can hear it first before putting it on the video. So this red mark is the ineligible audio, so I replace it with this one, as you can see, but it's not that. Oh, I need to remove this, and I want to wait. Let's see, what's this sound? You can hear it first before putting it on the video. So this is how it sounds like. Let's see. Let's speak. Well, I think this is good. I'm going to add this. Then as you can see, I press the add button, then it's there already, the blue one. It replaced, it's so loud. It replaced the ineligible audio. As you can see, there's no red spot now. So there. So you remove it. So if you're talking on this video, the replaced audio will be cut off totally. Even when you're speaking, that's all gone because the audio was replaced. All the audio, the background music and the audio, if you're speaking, that's all cut off. So all you can hear is this audio. So there. Then save it. Save it. So that's it. Just take a minute or two or for the video to process. As you can see here, video editing is in progress. So let's just wait. Maybe tomorrow it will gonna be fine. The copyright claim will be removed. So let's do it on this another video that it's ineligible. There you can change it. Oh, it's very long. Oh, it's not that long. So press this 3 dot, then replace song again. Wait. Okay. Oh, it's really long. Well, I think I can't change it. This is very long. Almost all my not just a portion, it's all of my video was I can't replace this. I'll just let it be there. So as you can see on my video, it's really hard if you have a copyright claim to almost all of your video. So you really need to pick an audio, a background music that's not copyrighted. You can choose on audio library here. There are so many you can choose. Before, I really don't know this, that's why. So you can choose and download it, then use it on your video, so it's not gonna be copyrighted. So there are so many, as you can see. Oh, here there are so many audios here that you can pick. As you can see, there are let me see, how many is this? So it's about 608 audios. Wow, so many. So you can choose here in the audio library of YouTube Studio and download it. Here, as you can see, there's a download button there. You can download it for free, then use it for your next video, so your video won't be copyrighted just like mine. I really don't know this before, so yeah, I'm sharing it with you guys. Wait a minute, what's happening to my phone? So that's it. That's the tip for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like this video. And if you like these kinds of things, just let me know in the comment section, and please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.